Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. And I will have Jill Norwood's link down below. She is the host of Saturday Morning Makes, as well as Gloria's channel and Lisa's channel down below, who participates in hashtag two crafters, one design. All right, so this week we were doing presents. And then also, before I forget, next week it will be Christmas trees. So if you have anything that has a Christmas tree on it and you want to join in on our challenge, make sure you just add a Christmas tree. And so here are the items that I am using to create these cards. So from Cottage Cuts, I am using this penguin decorating tree. And then from Pretty Pink Posh, I am using the Build-A-Gift. I'm also using May Your Holidays Sparkle and Shine from Merry Everything from Cards TV Stamps. This one's from CC Designs, and I'm using the Merry Christmas out of there. Cottage Cuts again, I am using the Stitched Wide Rectangle Frame Set. And I don't know where I got this from. I want to almost say it was something cuts. I can't remember. But anyways, or it might be memory. We are memory keepers. I'm using this frame here. From Cards TV Stamps, I'm using Let's Be Merry, and that's from her latest release, Warm and Fuzzy Hugs. And I am using that as well as the coordinating die. And then the papers that I am using is Christmas Pack, and this I think was from scrapbook.com, I think. I got it. I think I got it for free from scrapbook.com. And then also from My Creative Time, I'm using Christmas Gingerbread Kisses, and I'm using that dark green right there. Love this set. I love the colors. All right, so let me show you this one just a little bit more close. And what I did was, instead of doing every piece in all different color cardstock, I cut out glittered cardstock, the white glitter cardstock, and colored up everything. And so I love that I did it that way because I love all the sparkle and the shine that it gives. And then I put that Let's Be Merry up there from My Creative Time, colored in that hard. And that's about it. I love how it looks. That's that Cottage Cuts die. I just put that around that frame there. And then there goes the inside. May your holidays sparkle and shine. So much glitter on there. I thought that was the perfect sentiment. And then on this one here, I used that Pretty Pink Posh and the CC Designs die right there. And then this is that Cottage Cuts die right here. And then I used that paper. I got another paper pack. I forgot to grab that, but I put those black snowflakes back there. I thought that turned out pretty cute. All right, but those are my cards for this week. Make sure you head over to the ladies' channels and join in on the challenges. Make sure you post what you have made for this up and coming week so that we can check you out as well. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.